How critical is artificial intelligence in today's professional world? The answer might be more important than you think. In this competitive arena, mastering artificial intelligence and obtaining relevant certifications can significantly bolster one's career trajectory. A myriad of certifications exist that not only validate proficiency in AI technologies, but also serve as tangible evidence of expertise, enhancing credibility and marketability. Consider the Google Cloud AI Platform Engineer certification. It's a testament to one's ability to use Google Cloud technologies to build, manage, and deploy applications. It's about understanding how to use the AI platform on Google Cloud for machine learning projects and how to leverage Google's powerful AI building blocks. Then there's the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This certification attests to a professional's expertise in data science, a field that intersects with AI. It covers everything from data visualization to machine learning, equipping professionals with the skills to extract valuable insights from data. Next up, the Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate. This certification validates one's skills in using cognitive services, machine learning, and knowledge mining to architect and implement Microsoft AI solutions. The AWS Certified Machine Learning specialty is another valuable credential. It showcases one's ability to design, implement, and maintain machine learning solutions for business problems using AWS. The Certified Analytics Professional, or CAP, is a general analytics certification. It demonstrates a professional's ability to transform complex data into valuable insights and actions. Moving on to the SAS Certified AI and Machine Learning Professional. This certification is all about using SAS via AI and machine learning tools. It validates the holder's skills in areas like model training, deployment, and management. Finally, the Cloudera Certified Associate Data Analyst is a certification that validates one's ability to prepare, structure, and analyze data in Cloudera's environment. These certifications position individuals as valuable assets in industries ranging from healthcare and finance to retail and manufacturing, where AI-driven insights and solutions are increasingly in demand. By acquiring these certifications, professionals demonstrate their ability to leverage AI tools and techniques to drive innovation, solve complex problems, and optimize business processes. Moreover, possessing these credentials keeps professionals ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Certified individuals are better equipped to lead transformative initiatives, drive organizational growth, and innovate across industries. Employers value these credentials as they signify a commitment to continuous learning and staying abreast of cutting-edge developments in the field. By leveraging the knowledge and skills gained through these certifications, professionals can spearhead AI projects, develop impactful solutions, and propel their careers to new heights of success. Investing in AI education and obtaining relevant certifications is not only a strategic career move, but a pivotal step towards achieving unparalleled professional success in the digital age. So consider obtaining these certifications and unlock a world of opportunities in this fast-evolving professional landscape.